going on, everybody? Danny Koker here, aka The Count. Thank you for joining us here on the Count's Customs YouTube channel. We got a special one for you today, man. This thing is so very cool. The car belongs to a wonderful lady named Kathy. The paint job on this car is a tribute to her late husband. God bless him. She's an absolutely wonderful lady, but this car is insane. Ryan went absolutely berserk on this paint job. It is gorgeous with some way cool hidden goodies in it that frankly, nobody has ever seen. You guys are really gonna dig it. Watch the video, enjoy, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We got good stuff coming to you all the time.
Well, Kathy, it's really good to see you again.
Good
Rich,
to see
it's
you.
nice to meet you as well.
Meet you.
Today's the day.
I'm so excited.
Today's the day. Now, you've seen the car before because we've sent you a lot of pictures and you flew out to verify some of the things that I was like a little sketched out about.
Yes.
Because it may be cool and it may be horrific.
Yes.
But at the same time, you've seen it, but you have never seen it outside.
No.
In this car, we painted it a black cherry with a fade, and that was family suggested.
Yes.
And then you had a bunch of little sparkles and some other stuff added on there. I think the car's stunning. I've only seen
Concept
it.
evolved from my original concept.
Right. I've only seen it briefly in the sun.
Okay.
So this will be the first time of it just parked in the sun for me to even see.
Okay.
And you had some really specific things that you wanted to put into this car.
I did.
This is not just any old 2017 Challenger. This is family to you guys.
Yes.
How did that work?
Well, my husband used to always buy the family vehicles,
Yeah.
and I would just show up at the dealer and pick them up.
That's
So
my
when
favorite part of the story.
Kids were old enough, he says, let's go get you a car, so I don't even know what I want. So he took me all different dealerships, and the Challenger popped out at me. I took it for a test drive, came out, and I said, I need to have her. He's
Yeah.
like, okay. I was originally looking at Corvette.
Oh.
You just went from a Corvette to if you don't buy it, I will. I said, okay, done. And as we've owned the vehicle, every improvement we made, every engine upgrade we've made, we've done together. So he has a very good eye for paint jobs, and we saw yours at McCungy.
Yeah.
And he said, this is the guy that has to paint a car. You
That's
just need
really
to figure
cool.
out what you want.
I'll take that. that's a
That's
hell of
where
a
we saw it
compliment.
at McCungy. He said, this
So
is
there's
the
a
guy.
lot of painters out there.
There's a
They
lot
do
of
phenomenal
painters.
work.
There is, and he was looking at quite a few.
Yeah.
And he says, no, this is the guy. Figure out what you want. So for the past couple of years, unfortunately, he passed in 2022.
So sorry to hear that.
So I've kind of taken the concept of this car. I wanted the Constellation because we spent the last 6 weeks in the Keys,
Yeah.
in the dark, in the stars, and the fish. And I wanted to bring that flipping bee out. Unfortunately, we're not doing flipping. We're doing, the rock on because kind of family friendly.
PG-13.
Under the hood's fine.
I get it.
And I always said that was him giving a finger, so I wanted to bring him out. And then you, of course, expanded upon that concept when things weren't working out.
Right.
And it just evolved, and I love it.
I do too.
And I can't wait to see it.
I appreciate you taking a risk with that because I'm not gonna lie, I was a little sketched out.
I know you
by
are.
it too, but of course, since then I've even
And to
told
be
you.
honest, he wasn't too sure when I sent him. He goes, I don't know, Mom.
Yeah. At first I was like, I'm not sure. And then once I actually seen it, and the quality work is just absolutely amazing.
Yeah, I'm excited. It worked out great.
So this will be his first time seeing it in person. He
Yeah.
has only seen pictures.
And every person around here, all the porters and all the people that work in the showroom, Chongo especially, he's out there with, I gotta show you something, I gotta show you something. I mean, thousands of people have already seen this car.
Kevin had done that when I was here. He asked if it was fine. I said, sure.
And we've got a couple customers that already requested it, so.
No
Ta-da,
way.
Ta-da.
I'm the first.
You are the very first. You are the sketch queen. Which I'm sure fits. So you ready to see this thing?
I'm ready to see her.
Yeah?
Yes. I can't wait.
Same here. Hey, Mom! Bring out that beautiful Challenger, man!
Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's so pretty. Oh, Dad would love this. Wow. Oh my God.
If you saw on the front, I matched the red to the RT emblem in the grill.
Oh God. This is what you can't see inside.
Yes. Make yourself at home.
Oh, you did. Oh, the face is gorgeous.
I know originally we just wanted to do a black fade in the middle of the car, but the hood on this thing has such aggressive shapes and lines to it that bringing those out just really adds to that race quality to it. I mean, it makes it look like it's moving sitting still.
It does. It does. That was an excellent recommendation. And again, that was a phone call and I went, okay. I was at work when you called and I said, okay, look at the stars. See, now I know it's there,
Yep.
which is exactly what I wanted.
On the darkest of the darkest, it has a little bit of that blue glow.
I see it.
Yep. And of course, this was the sketchy part. Now you wanted a constellation.
Yes.
And you wanted a constellation of the Scat Pack B.
Yes.
And once I did it, it just looked like a bunch of random dots. It didn't make any sense, and that's when I came up with the idea. You can see a little bit of a residue, but when you put the black light on it, and of course even more so at night, but even with the bright sun, you see it. And you can see exactly what it is and what it's doing.
What do you think?
It's great.
It's awesome, right? It's so awesome.
Amazing.
Love all the
amazing
sparkle.
paint job.
Yep.
I love this.
On that test panel we did, the sparkle was your number one thing. I'm like, really? I just threw that in, and that's the number one seller. All right.
And I love that. I love the sparkle. It gives it more dimension, more galaxy, more like as if we're looking at the stars.
You don't see it until you get in the sun.
You nailed this. You did exactly what I asked. So it looks black from afar until you walk up on it.
There's a lot of texture at the bottom of it, different colors blended, darks and lights. So it's almost like a galaxy at the bottom,
Yeah.
right here, all the way into the black. So it's a combination of marbleizing and some textured stencils and splattered paint.
Absolutely beautiful.
And that goes all the way into the door jambs. No one's gonna say
Interior.
this is a wrap, you know?
Interior was done. My husband had this done for me as well. It was his.
That's a nice,
Put the old school
nice
B in there.
skin kit.
Yeah.
We're a fan of their work.
Yeah. Now that I'm standing here, oh my God, check it out. Like I could see like that black fading right
The
there.
blend in there with the texturing.
That's really cool. You see that, Rich?
I do.
I was happy with the way that turned out because the blend goes, it goes from here to about here and stops before it gets to the edge of the door. But it's very subtle.
It's very subtle. You have to be standing at a certain angle to see that.
Yeah, because you stand up front and look at all it's black.
And that's what I asked him to do. I wanted it to still look black until you walk up on it, and he nailed it.
House of Color has the best colors. There's a lot of companies that have come out that have gone after House of Colors mixes, and they just don't have it.
House of Color's been around a long time.
Long time. This is our 70th anniversary this year. Yeah, Kosmowski has carried that company into 70 years.
We use House of Color on the motorcycles.
Yeah.
So
Same here. Forever, forever and forever. I've been House of Color 34 years now.
yeah, I think Dad painted my Sportster with House of Color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Best of the best, and that's what's on here.
I didn't think I'd cry. Great. Thank you for that.
Yes, ma'am.
See you later is for my husband as well. He never said goodbye. He always yelled, see you later, baby. Same thing with the boys. He never said bye to them. That looks great. It looks fantastic.
And you wanted the RT stripes around the back,
Yeah.
and I embellished on those a little bit.
No, but I love that, and I love the way you wrapped it on the spoiler.
I had to wrap it on the wing. The wing on this particular car has the dip in it. A lot of them don't have the dip, but I wanted you to see that dip.
And you're right, because when it was matte, you really didn't
They
see
just
that.
blend in.
You really didn't see that.
Lines are nice and beautiful. The car is being cleared twice.
Okay.
So there's lots of clear on there. That's why you can't feel any of the tape lines anywhere.
She's beautiful.
Yeah, and God forbid anything ever happens to it. There's lots of material to buff and polish if needed. I brought the fade into this panel right here, but I brought solid color over the roof all the way to the windshield, so that ties into the hood.
Okay.
So it is a full, complete, designed, custom paint job.
Absolutely love it. You nailed it. Like I said, we started with one concept and it's evolved into this.
And that's usually how it goes. But I gotta say, I'm particularly happy with this one.
That's why you need an artist. You know, I have an idea, but it may, and I said that to you when I first met you. It may work, it may not work, I don't know.
Yeah,
And you said the same thing.
I'm very happy with this.
What do you think?
That was amazing.
Looks great, right? I love it.
It is very shiny, it is very black in the front.
Yes, yes, but that's exactly what I wanted.
Yep,
So you don't see that it has the black cherry until that sun hits it,
all right.
or you walk up on it.
Yeah, even standing here, I can't see the difference between the black cherry and the black.
Yeah,
I just see the red pinstripe.
absolutely beautiful.
I want it to look like it came this way. We were never here. And the entire car has been disassembled and repainted, hood, trunk, lid, everything, everything. There's no factory paint left on this car anywhere. It's all been,
The day I approved the template, she was apart, and I went, Oh my God.
And we sent you pictures of it in all raw steel. There's zero
Yeah.
factory
Oh, yeah.
paint anywhere on this car. We replaced the rockers because those typically get beat up. They do. They had a little bit of road rash on them, but I didn't want to give it back to you with those.
I appreciate that.
And just when something happens, you can try and fix it or just get another one.
Kind of love that the skull kind of looks cool here still. I'm so excited.
I'll show you the trunk. Oh, the color goes all underneath. Wrap the stripes all the way around.
I didn't
All in the jams.
Oh my God.
That's what I mean. There's no factory
That's so
paint anywhere on this
not
car.
even down here.
Oh yeah. And these cars typically are known for being really wavy cars. When they stamp steel and everything, there's waves in the panels. And that's why we strip it down to bare metal and we correct all the waves. So around the handles and the mirrors, there's usually waves in the panels, and the bottoms of the doors usually have waves. All that's been taken out and corrected. All the lines are sharper than they were factory, and the alignment of everything is better. Now have your show car.
Absolutely love it. I love it. She's gorgeous. Thank you.
Very welcome. I'm very proud of the guys with the body lines and the body work on this, straightening everything out. And of course the shine with the guys in the buff department, and they finished everything off with Count Select, and that's what helps make it gleam in the sun.
Okay.
It's fantastic. It really is good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it.
I'm looking at the reflection of the ground. That's one of the things that we talked about when I originally did all the texture and everything. It's like, oh, all I'm seeing is the ground because the car's so shiny now, you don't see that. So we brought it up a little higher onto the shoulders of the car. That draws your eye down.
Oh, looks beautiful. The blend, absolutely gorgeous.
All the codes, it's all out of the can stuff. I didn't do any weird wizardry with the mixes on anything, so we'll be able to fix this for the rest of my life.
How about the rest of his life?
Easily. Easily. Easily.
Because like I said, this is the family car now. It's going to be handed down at some time in my life. The more you look, the more you see.
Usually customers with the black cherry, they don't want anything on it. They just want to see all that color. This was the busier of the black cherry, so I'm really happy with this.
I'm glad you're happy with it because you weren't sure about it. You were not sure about the whole idea. You said,
Fade down the middle of a car. It's like, lengthwise, yeah. Chop down the middle. That's, if it were any other combination other than the black cherry and the black, I would have really fought that one tooth and nail.
I am extremely happy. I cannot wait for this to get home. You absolutely nailed it.
Team effort.
Looks amazing.
Effort.
Great job.
I can't imagine trying to do these cars by myself. There's no way. I'd get 2 a year and I'd feel like I'm 60 now.